What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would clean your mass airflow sensor and locate it on Ford vehicles. It's the same for multiple models like the Contour, the Mystique, and the several other models. What you see right in front of you right here, this is your mass airflow sensor right here. So to take this off, basically first before I show you how to take it off, I'll show you where it's at. If you find where you would put your air filter at, which is right here, if you run along that line, what you'll see right here is a square box. This right here pretty much is your mass airflow sensor. So the next thing first thing you want to do is actually unplug the electrical harness that goes to it, which is right here. Unplug that out. For most of these vehicles, also you're going to need a T220 torque bit to take these screws off. Because the screws, as you can see, it's like a torque, but it has like a little piece sticking out in the middle of it. So you have to get you it takes a T20 torque bit, is what I have right here. You can see it. It's like a torque, but it has like a little hole in the middle of it pretty much that you will use to go over top of that. So we're going to remove this now, then I'm going to be showing you how to clean this out. When these go bad, a lot of times you can have problems like with a rough idle or your car hesitates a lot. It could mean that you have a dirty mass airflow sensor. So what I'm doing now is just taking the T20 torque bit and taking out just 2 screws to remove it. So I got that screw coming loose. Now I'm gonna go to this one right here. Alright, so I got that screw out. Now I should be able to remove the whole mass airflow sensor, which comes out like that. And what you can see is those little metal pieces down there is actually what can get dirty on this one. This one looks pretty good, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it anyway, just because it's been kind of running kind of sluggish anyway on this vehicle right here. So I'm gonna show you how you can clean it right now. Okay folks, now that I have the mass airflow sensor out, what I'm going to be using to clean off this sensor is mass airflow sensor cleaner. I mean, you got different people who may use different things like homemade products, or either like just household products like Windex and different things like that. But for something like this, I'd rather go ahead and spend a couple dollars and buy me a can of this that basically will last you for a long time. I mean, you may have this can of mass airflow sensor for, a few years or something. Use it to clean off multiple airflow sensors. Alright folks, what I'm about to do now is go ahead and clean my mass airflow sensor with my mass airflow sensor cleaner. So I'm get kind of close to it, maybe a few inches away from it pretty much, and give it like about 2 or 3 blasts like this. Kind of getting the pressure to push it off. And once you do one side, you want to turn it over to the other side and do the same thing on the other side like that, to make sure that you clean it from both sides, concentrating on getting those coils that you can kind of see in the middle. See those 2 things, those coils in the middle? That's pretty much what you're cleaning. Those 2 little coils right there. You see 1, 2, that's in the middle. So clean it on one side, turn it over, and then clean it on the other side. What I would do then is let it dry for maybe 20-30 minutes or something like that. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would locate as well as remove as well as clean your mass airflow sensor on multiple years of Ford vehicles, different years and models pretty much. Check out our other videos and please subscribe and share. Thanks.